कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस इसमें है इनपुट डिवाइस those devices which are used by the user to give data and instruction to the computer are called input devices. Input devices converts it into machine's language after taking input from the user and sends this converted machine language to the CPU, central processing unit. Types of input devices इसमें कीबोर्ड is a type of main input device. Keyboard is used to give data and information to the computer in alphabetical and numerical form. A few different keyboard types such as QWERTY, DOVRAK and AZERTY are mainly used keyboard. टाइप्स ऑफ कीज इन अ कीबोर्ड कीबोर्ड में कौन से की है इसमें अल्फ़ान्यूमेरिक की ये दिस इंक्लूड्स लेटर कीज ए बी कैपिटल ए बी सी डी अप टू जेड एंड स्मॉल ए बी सी अप टू जेड and numeric keys 01, 012 up to 9. Numeric key. These keys are on the right side of the keyboard. These keys are made up of numbers 0, 1, 2, 9 and mathematical operators. Functions key. These are called also called प्रोग्रामेबल कीज फंक्शन के लिए प्रोग्रामेबल की भी कहते हैं इंस्ट्रक्शन इज गिवन बाय देम टू गेट सम इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क डन फ्रॉम द computer done from the computer. These keys are represented by F1, F2 and F12 above the alphanumeric keys. Cursor control keys. Under this there are four arrow keys which show for directions right up down come up down. These keys are arranged in reverse between alphanumeric keys and numeric keys. They are used to move the cursor up, down, right, or left. In addition to these four keys, these are four more keys which are used to control the cursor. These keys are the following: home. It is used to send the cursor back to the beginning of the line or at the beginning of the document. End. It is used to send the cursor to the end of the line. Page up. When this key is pressed, the view of the page move up one page and the cursor move to the previous page down. When this key is pressed, the view of the page goes down one page and the cursor move to the next page. Other keyboard keys, control keys, control. These keys together with other keys are used to perform a specific task. For example, Control plus yes is used to save the documents. Control plus yes is used to save the document. Enter key. It is also called the main key of the keyboard. It is used to send the instruction typed by the user to the computer. After typing the enter key, the instruction goes to the computer and according to the instruction the computer does further work. Shift keys. There are some keys in the keyboard in which two signs are printed up and down. To type the hint above among them, press it press it with the shift key. It is also called combination key. Escape key. It is used to end or interrupt any action. If you press the escape key while holding the control key, it open the start menu. Backspace key. It is used to end the type data or information. It ends the data from right to left direction. Delete keys. This key is used to delete the documents, memory information and the characters from the screen. But if you press it with the shift key, then the selected file is permanently erased from the computer's memory. Caps lock key. It is used to type the alphabet in a capital letter. When this key is enabled, it is typed in a capital letter. If this key is disabled, then type in a small letter. Spacebar key. It is used to create or increase the space between two words or letter. This keyboard key, longest key. Numlock key. It is used to activate or deactivate the numeric keypad. If this key is activated, then the number is typed, and if this key is inactive, then the number is not typed. Window key. It is used to open the start menu. Tab key. It is used to move the cursor forward 5 places at a time. The tab key is pressed together with the shift key to bring the cursor back 5 places. And it is also used to indent paragraphs. Pointing device. Mouse is a type of pointing device which is a very important example of input device. Cursor, the blanking point indicating your position in the text or pointer to move. Apart from this, the mouse is used to give instruction to the computer with the help of graphics in the computer. It was invented in 1963 by Douglas C. Engelbart at the Stanford Research Center. It usually has two or three buttons. One button is called left button and one button is called right button. Between the two buttons is a scroll wheel which is used to move the cursor to the top or bottom of the page in a file. There are generally three type of mouse, wireless mouse, mechanical mouse and optical mouse. Mouse has four main functions: click or left click. It select any one object on the screen. Double click, use it to open a document or program. Right click, it show a list of commands on the screen. Right click is used to access the properties of a selected object. Drag and drop is used to move an object from one place to another on the screen. Trackball. A trackball is a type of pointing trackball device that is used like a mouse. In this ball is on the upper surface. It is used to control the movement of the cursor. It is used for the following reasons: CAD workstation, computer aided design workstation. In a CAM workstation, computer aided manufacturing workstation. In a computerized workstation such as air traffic control room, radar controls. In the sonar system on the ship joystick.